The last moment Adan Monzano before he died while covering Super Bowl. If you watch this video, please like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Telemundo reporter Adan Manzano, 27, was found dead in his hotel room in Kenner, Louisiana. Surveillance camera footage of the journalist's last moments has been released to the public. The official cause of death has yet to be determined as the authorities are waiting toxicology results, with the woman connected to the case in custody. The footage shows Manzano seemingly coherent entering the Comfort Inn with a 48-year-old Denita Colberto at 3:46 a.m. as he followed her to his room. The exact location where the two met remains unclear. Manzano had been in New Orleans covering the Super Bowl for Telemundo and was a sideline reporter. He was in his third consecutive assignment covering the sporting event after previous coverage in Glendale, Arizona and Las Vegas, Nevada. His tragic death follows the passing of his wife, Ashley Boyd, in a car accident earlier in 2024, leaving their only daughter an orphan. The police investigation into the cause of Manzano's death is ongoing. His body showed no obvious signs of violence, and toxicology reports are expected to take 3 to 4 weeks. The authorities are investigating whether Colberto may have dragged Manzano, as he has a history of dragging men to rob them. The footage also shows Colberto leaving Manzano's room twice. She first emerged alone at 4:45 a.m. and returned 20 minutes later. She then made 2 trips to the reception desk, appeared to request an extra room key. At 5:21 a.m., she left the room for the final time. The investigation took a turn when Colberto used Manzano's credit cards to make purchases across New Orleans. When police searched her home in Slidell, Louisiana, they recovered Manzano's phone and credit card. Colberto's criminal history includes prior arrests for similar offenses, including dragging and robbing men, some involving high-profile theft such as the stealing of Rolex watches. In 2022, she was arrested in Las Vegas for similar crimes, and police have considered her previous arrests when investigating her involvement in Manzano's death. While she faces preliminary charges of credit card fraud and theft, no direct evidence has linked Colberto to the reporter's death yet. The investigation continues as authorities await the toxicology results, which might provide crucial answers regarding the circumstances of Manzano's sudden death. Manzano, originally from Mexico City, was known for his dedication to sports journalism and bilingual coverage. Telemundo Kansas City general manager described him as a charismatic professional who always worked with a smile. His untimely death has shocked his colleagues, and his young daughter now faces future without either of her parents. As the investigation unfolds, authorities are urging patience as they work to gather further evidence to clarify the cause of Manzano's tragic death. If you watch our video, like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.